In your July camper activity box, there will be directions and supplies to make slime. The items that are included in your box will be the glue, the baking soda, and the contact solution. And then if you want, you can choose to add food coloring to make your slime colorful. So the first step will be to take your glue, and it's a half a cup of glue, which one thing of Elmer's school glue is half a cup. So you can put it in a Ziploc baggie or a bowl. And then if you're choosing to add food coloring, you will add that into the glue and then stir it. I'm gonna add just a couple of drops. And then stir. And then once you've stirred your food coloring, you will add the baking soda. It'll start off sticky and then it'll smooth out once you keep stirring. And then you'll add half of your contact solution and stir. And you want to check the consistency. So if this is the consistency you want, you can stop there, but if you want a more firm slime, you can add in the rest of it and stir it. And then once you have the slime done, you can put it in a bag to play with later.